Charlie?
I don't like this. Oh.
What is it?
An old banana.
An old banana? Isn't that exciting?
No.
What are you doing?
Pushing it.
Oh, okay.
Wow. A battery and an onion. What's wrong?
I don't want onion.
Did you smell your onion? Here, smell it.
Oh, I smelled it. Eggs. Eggs.
Open it.
A hot dog.
What is that?
I got a girl activity book with stickers. I'm not a girl.
I'm not a boy. I'm not a boy either.
The worst present ever.
What is this?
Marissa, what do you tell me all the time about my cooking?
I love it.
You love my cooking, so I made you something.
Then why is it like, why is it really sandwich stuff like that? You should appreciate her getting us a present, but I didn't know it would be like that. Yes, a sandwich of mine. I love your cooking when you cook like dinners, like Hot Pockets or pasta or buffalo wings, something like that. Not just a sandwich. Why would you eat off of it?
Well, Marissa, so you don't want that peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
Open it up. You didn't want that for Christmas?
You stinking parents! Take this back.
Take it back where? This is yours.
I want a refund.
It's a half-eaten sandwich. Isn't that what you asked for?
No, I asked for a toy.
What did you say about Santa?
He put you on a naughty list.
Why?
Because you gave me a stupid Hello Kitty.
What did you get, Jason? Some black beans, cheese, and a Waffle House hat. What's in there?
A bag of...
Oh, you got a Mr. Potato Head. They're from Santa.
They're not.
Did
Santa
I-
did not have those things. I saw you out of the car in the garage. Those things were not from Santa Claus.
Are you upset?
You stupid parents! I hate you! I hate you all! What? I got ponies?
That was your great-grandpa's camera.
I got ponies?
What? Guys, what's wrong? You're not excited about your
I got
presents?
ponies. I don't want ponies. They're for girls.
Guys,
Mine is a stupid book.
we thought really hard about what to get you this year.
Well, you didn't do a very good job. It's the worst Christmas I ever had. A staple?
Nessa, what'd you get?
Cookbook.
Mario, what'd you get?
I don't know.
It's an invisible fence for your dog.
Was it a joke?